Welcome back. Before we start our deep dive into today's topic, please take a second to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a technical breakdown. It really helps the channel grow. Apache Turbine is a mature Java-based web application framework built for scalability and enterprise use. It provides a modular architecture, built-in security, and integrates with tools like Velocity and Torque. Though not as trendy as newer frameworks, it's still a solid choice for high-performance, scalable web apps. Despite its age, Turbine remains relevant due to its robust architecture and enterprise-grade features. It's ideal for developers who need a lightweight, scalable solution with deep integration into Apache tools like Velocity and Torque. Turbine implements the MVC pattern with a servlet-based runtime. Its core components, actions, screens, and navigations allow modular development. It supports various templating engines, with Velocity being the most common. Turbine's MVC components are modular and reusable. Actions execute business logic, screens prepare data for templates, and navigations manage UI flow. This separation ensures clean, maintainable code. The RunData object is central to Turbine's architecture. It wraps HTTP request and session data, making it accessible across components. It simplifies handling of user sessions, parameters, and responses in a type-safe way. Turbine uses a pull-based pipeline model where data is fetched on demand. This approach improves performance by reducing unnecessary processing and supports modular execution of application logic. The Turbine servlet is the entry point for all requests. It routes URLs to appropriate modules, manages sessions, and orchestrates the execution of actions, screens, and navigations. Turbine supports multiple templating engines, with Velocity being the default. This decouples presentation from business logic, enabling developers to build flexible and maintainable UIs. Turbine includes a robust security layer with role-based access control and pluggable authentication. It supports LDAP and JDBC for enterprise-level user management and integrates seamlessly with existing systems. Turbine integrates with Apache Torque for ORM capabilities, simplifying database access. It also supports other ORMs and JDBC, ensuring flexibility in enterprise environments. Turbine includes built-in caching mechanisms and efficient resource management. These features make it scalable and performant in high-concurrency environments. Turbine provides built-in internationalization support, allowing developers to build multi-language applications. It handles locale-specific formatting and integrates with templating engines for dynamic translation. Turbine's module system allows dynamic loading and execution of application logic. This enhances code reusability and enables developers to build modular, scalable applications. Here's how a typical request flows through Turbine. The Turbine servlet receives the request, RunData processes it, modules execute in sequence, and the template engine renders the final output. Let's look at a real-world use case, an enterprise portal built with Turbine. It uses role-based access control, LDAP authentication, and integrates with a CMS using Velocity templates. While Turbine offers modular design and robust security, it's less actively developed and has fewer community resources. It may require more effort to learn, but its enterprise-grade features make it worth considering. Compared to modern frameworks like Spring Boot or Play, Turbine is more mature and enterprise-focused. While newer frameworks offer faster development cycles, Turbine excels in stability and integration with legacy systems. To get started with Turbine, install Java and Tomcat, download the framework from Apache, configure RunData and modules, and create your first action and screen components. A typical turbine project includes Java components in src/main/java, templates in webApp/, configuration in webinf/, and dependencies in lib/. This structure promotes modularity and maintainability. Modules in Turbine are configured in turbine resources.properties. You can define their execution order, customize behavior, and enable or disable them dynamically based on application needs. To build an action, extend Turbine action and override the doPerform method. Use RunData to access request data and implement your business logic within the method. Screens prepare data for rendering. Extend Velocity screen, override build template context, and add data to the context. Screens often work hand in hand with actions. Velocity templates use .vm files and $syntax to access data. They support logic and loops, making it easy to render dynamic content based on data from screens. To implement security, use Turbine's user and role classes, configure settings in Turbine resources.properties, and build login/logout actions. Protect URLs by checking user roles. Turbine supports page and object level caching. Use Turbine Cache for page caching, implement custom logic for objects, and configure caching in the properties file to boost performance. Internationalization in Turbine uses Turbine resources.properties for locale-specific messages. Access them via $i18n.get message, and render localized templates based on user preferences. Deploy Turbine apps by packaging them as WAR files and deploying to Tomcat or Jetty. Configure environment variables and monitor performance after deployment. Debugging Turbine apps involves using logging frameworks, enabling debug mode, monitoring run data flow, and checking for template rendering issues. Extend Turbine by creating custom modules, integrating third-party libraries, and building reusable components. This modular approach enhances functionality without bloating the core. In performance benchmarks, Turbine shows competitive throughput and memory usage. While not the fastest, its scalability and modular design make it ideal for enterprise applications. While Turbine's community is smaller, resources like Apache documentation, mailing lists, and legacy tutorials are still valuable for learning and troubleshooting. Turbine remains stable but is no longer actively developed. It's used in legacy systems, and while modernization is possible, it depends on community contributions. Choose Turbine when you need enterprise-grade features, integration with Apache tools, or are modernizing legacy systems. Its modular architecture makes it ideal for scalable applications. Avoid Turbine if you need rapid development, prefer modern frameworks, or are building cloud-native apps. Its learning curve and limited support may not suit all projects. To master Turbine, start with Java and servlets, learn Velocity templating, explore modules, build sample apps, and integrate with databases and security systems. In summary, Turbine's MVC architecture, modular components, RunData object, and built-in security make it a powerful choice for enterprise-grade web applications. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more deep dive content, and let us know your Turbine use cases in the comments. And that wraps up our explanation. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and share it with a fellow developer. Don't forget to subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.